Everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. If you're new here, my name is Tanya, and on this channel I like to share about low-tox living, essential oils, natural products, natural DIYs, pretty much anything to help you live a natural low-tox life I like to share here. You can also check me out for more content like this over on my Instagram. It's essentially.tanya, and I share a lot more essential oil information, low-tox living tips, and natural DIYs over there as well. So today we're going to talk about the product that I see as the best way to get started on an essential oil low-tox lifestyle. Now, pretty much essential oils and low-tox living are like peas and carrots. They go hand in hand. Really, if you have one, you're gonna have the other. So I kind of use the terms interchangeably, but pretty much if we're talking about low-tox lifestyle, more than likely that's gonna include essential oils for you. So what we're gonna talk about today is a bundle to get you started on that essential oil low-tox lifestyle that's really going to give you the most bang for your buck and is the most value for your money and can cover the majority of the needs that you're going to have. So a lot of the products that I recommend come from Young Living because they are a well-established company. They have great farming and manufacturing practices, and they're very transparent as far as where their essential oils come from and how they're made. So what we're going to talk about today, it's called the Premium Starter Bundle. This bundle comes with a diffuser. There's a few different options that you can choose from as far as the diffuser is concerned. This is the Desert Mist diffuser, and it's probably the most popular one next to the Aria diffuser. That one is more of a showpiece. This one's really pretty, but the Aria is definitely a statement piece, but it does cost a little bit more. But as I said, the Desert Mist is probably the most popular one. All of Young Living's diffusers come with a 1-year warranty, and any of the plastic that is within the diffusers is medical grade plastic. That way it isn't broken down by the essential oils over time. You can definitely get diffusers off of Amazon. I've done that in the past, but you will find they're not going to last as long just because they're not made of as good of materials. So if you're looking for diffusers that are going to last and then also have that 1-year warranty, Young Living has some great options. So in addition to the diffuser, the Premium Starter Bundle comes with 12 different essential oils. There's 10 here. I'll go through each one and give you a little background on them, plus 2 additional ones. And it also comes with 3 different product samples as well as some literature. The first 2 oils that I wanted to talk about are Citrus Fresh and Lemon. These are both citrus-based oils. They are great for things like cleaning your home. They're really good for cleaning your skin as well. They can help brighten your skin, get stains out of laundry. Lemon in particular is great for cleaning. It's kind of known as nature's magic eraser because anything you would use a magic eraser on, you can use lemon on instead, and it'll get any scuff marks off your floor or walls, take care of any sort of sticker residue, paint, anything like that. Lemon can take that off. So it's a great oil to always have on hand. These are both also great to diffuse. They're very uplifting essential oils. So they can kind of cleanse the air as well as pick your spirit up. I diffuse these a lot in the summer or if I've been cooking or cleaning just to kind of give the house a fresh smell. Then next we're going to talk about Raven and Thieves. Now these are essential oil blends and they are great for respiratory support. Raven in particular is great for respiratory support, any sort of seasonal allergy. Raven in particular is great for anything respiratory related. So if you have a little bit of a cold and you have some congestion or you suffer from seasonal allergies, anything like that, Raven is a great oil to diffuse, or you can also apply it topically. You'll want to dilute it with a carrier oil, and you can put it in a roller bottle and just kind of rub it on your chest, and it'll help ease that congestion that you may have. Now, the Thieves Blend is another one that's great for respiratory support, but it's also great for immune support and for its cleansing properties. This is probably Young Living's most popular essential oil blend. They have a whole cleaning and personal care line that has this essential oil blend in it. Plus, it's great to put in an immune support roller and roll up and down your spine. I do that twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. As well as I like to diffuse this one a lot, just to help kind of cleanse the air and with respiratory and immune support. And it has kind of a sweet and spicy smell, so it's a great one to add to your diffuser in the fall too. Now we're going to talk about the Panaway Essential Oil Blend. This one is great for sore and fatigued muscles. So if you've been working out and you kind of pulled a muscle and it's giving you some aches and pains, you can add this to a roller bottle along with a carrier oil and roll that on to help kind of ease those symptoms. It's great in a roller bottle to use down the sides of your neck if you have any sort of neck strain from sitting at your desk all day. I know I have horrible posture when I'm working at my desk, so I often use this one for that neck strain. You can also add a few drops to some coconut oil and make more of a cream if you prefer to apply it that way over using it in a roller bottle. I wouldn't say this one is probably one that's diffused a lot. It's more of a topical application just so you get that muscle fatigue support. But it's one that I always try to have on hand. It makes a believer out of a lot of the guys in your life. For whatever reason, the muscle support and the digestive support oils are the ones that if you're having trouble convincing your partner that essential oils are something that do actually work, those are the two kind of oil areas that usually can convince anyone who's been doubting for whatever reason. So muscle support and digestive support are the ones that are great to sell a maybe not on board spouse with. And speaking of digestive support, Digest is an essential oil blend that is absolutely amazing for digestive support. And peppermint essential oil is also great for digestive support. Digest is a blend of things like fennel and ginger, so it is a very strong aroma. It's also one that you're probably not going to diffuse a ton, but it's great to apply topically. Just put it in a roller bottle with a little bit of carrier oil, and you can put that around your stomach and intestine area. This is one that is also safe for internal use for adults. You'll notice that it has the white label on it. That's how Young Living indicates an oil is considered safe for internal use. So you can put a drop under your tongue, or you can put it in a veggie capsule with a little bit of carrier oil. That's usually people's preferred way to take it, is the veggie capsule, because it does have a super, super strong taste, but it works so well that the taste is worth it. But most people prefer to just pop it in a veggie capsule because then it's like taking any other over-the-counter medication that you would take for digestive support. That kind of tames the taste of it. Peppermint can be used in the same way. You can either put it in a roller bottle and rub it on your stomach and intestine area, or you can add a drop to some water or put it in a veggie capsule and take it that way. Peppermint can also just kind of ease any sort of intestinal discomfort if it's more of like a nausea or something like that, just by breathing it in. So by diffusing it or just breathing it straight out of the bottle. A lot of people, if you get any sort of motion sickness, or women who are pregnant, they like to use peppermint to kind of help with nausea type symptoms just to get some relief. Peppermint is also great for kind of waking you up in that mid-afternoon slump when you need to focus, but your brain is ready to quit for the day. I like to diffuse it that way, as well as I like to add it into bath salts and things like that. It's just a great oil to have on hand and has a ton of different uses and purposes. Another very popular essential oil blend that Young Living has is Valor, and people call this one Courage in a Bottle. And it's not because it amps you up and gets you like ferocious and ready to take on the day or anything like that. It's actually a calming oil. So it gives you, if you're having any sort of anxious type feelings, it can kind of take those down a few notches, so that you can actually focus on what you need to do or who you're presenting to, instead of all of those anxious feelings that may go along with it. Your premium starter bundle also comes with frankincense. Frankincense is considered the fountain of youth oil. It's great to use on your skin as far as helping with fine lines and wrinkles. It's also a great one for meditation or to help you kind of unwind at the end of the night. It's an oil that's been used throughout the ages. It's probably one of the oldest oils with a recorded use, and it's considered to be a super powerful oil, so it's a great one to have on hand as well. For that skin support, it's also great to combine frankincense with lavender. Lavender also comes in your premium starter bundle. Lavender is probably the essential oil that the majority of the people have heard of for sleep support, but it actually does a ton of different things other than sleep support. It's great for your skin. If you have anything like a bug bite, it can help stop the itching there. If you have like a minor burn, it's great for helping to calm that down so that it can heal more quickly. Just tons of different uses. It is most popularly used for sleep support or for anxious feelings, but it's one that you're always going to want to have on hand just because it can do so many different things, plus it smells amazing. Then the last two oils that come in the premium starter bundle are both great for sleep support. It's Peace and Calming and Stress Away. Now personally, I like to use Stress Away more during the daytime. So if I'm starting to feel anxious for any reason or just needing to calm down so that I can concentrate, I love to roll this one on. And then at night, I tend to use Peace and Calming more. It's kind of a deeper, more earthy aroma, so I just like that one more at night, but it has the similar properties of helping you unwind and calm down at the end of the night. It's a great one to use with your kids also as part of their bedtime routine. Just start diffusing it an hour or so before it's time for them to go to bed, and it'll kind of get them into the frame of mind that, hey, it's time to start winding down for the night, in theory. I know that that's not always the case with kids in bedtimes, but it really does help. And then in addition to the 12 different oils that I just went through, you also receive 3 different product samples to help you get started on your low tox essential oil journey. This one is great to have in your purse when you're on the go, when you need to clean something off, like a shopping cart, or if you're eating out and the table's looking a little questionable. It's a plant-based cleaner that you can just spray right on the surface and wipe off. You also receive 5 samples of the Thieves hand sanitizer. This does kill 99.9% of germs, so it is a working hand sanitizer. It does anything that a hand sanitizer would do that you would buy in the store. It just doesn't have all the gross ingredients in it. And then your final sample is of the Nixia Red. This is an antioxidant supplement very similar to a elderberry, but it's way more powerful as far as its antioxidant properties. So it's great for immune support, for helping with any sort of free radicals, anything like that that you may have built up in your system. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and wellness, this is a supplement that I would highly recommend. And that is it. So that is everything that comes in the starter bundle. As you can see, it has pretty much something to cover any need that you would have. So if you are looking to start more of a low-tox lifestyle or incorporate essential oils more into your daily routine, this is the bundle that I would suggest you get started with. Oils more into your daily routine, this is the bundle that I would suggest you get started with. It's discounted when you buy it in the bundle at more than 40% than what it would cost you retail, so it really is the best value for your money. If it is something that you're interested in purchasing, I always have a link down in my description box, or if you do have any questions on the starter bundle or low tox living or essential oils, just any questions in general, you can just feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to talk essential oils and low tox living. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment, or my email is down below as well. You can shoot me a message. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Young Living Premium Starter Bundle and that you can see all the value in it that I do. As I said, if you do have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out. Take care, and until next time, bye.